konnichiwa.
The Mari biscuit was created by the London bakery Big Friends in 1874 to commemorate the marriage of the Grand Duchess Maria Alexandrovna of Russia to the Duke of Edinburgh. The simple and gentle taste of Mari cookies has been loved by many people all around the world. 60 years ago, Melbourne Biscuit Manufacturers Private Limited introduced Mari biscuit as Gold Mari to Sri Lanka as their first product. In Japan, the Morinaga Company introduced Mari biscuit in 1923, and this year they celebrated their 100th anniversary. So today we are making 2 creative Mari biscuit recipes for you. Please enjoy.
Don't forget to wash hands before cooking. お料理するときには手を洗いましょうね。
දැන් ඉතින් අපි අත සෝදලා කෑම හදන්න ලෑස්ති වෙමු.
Ingredients are tuna, corn, chopped tomato, onions, green pepper, garlic salt, pepper, ham, ketchup, 3 eggs, cheese, and don't forget the Mari biscuits. Put some ketchup on Mari biscuits. Remember not to put too much. And then put a bit of tomato. And everyone, do you like tomato? Because I love tomato. And then sprinkle on a little bit of green pepper. Not much or it will be a bit spicy. Do you like spicy food? And then put some corn. And then put some onions. If you like onions, you can put them. But if you don't like onions, you don't need to put them. And then put a pinch of garlic salt. When you put garlic salt, it has a little taste of garlic. And then put some pepper so they can be a real bit spicy. And then last but not least, sprinkle on some cheese. I love cheese because when it melts, it is so gooey. Last but not least, let's top it off with some ham. You can put lots of ham if you want, but we only put one for some good pizza. And then put it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Ta-da! Second recipe is crunchy omelette. The ingredients are the same ingredients that we use for the pizza, but with some eggs. put the mixture into the frying pan. And then get a spoon and like tap it a bit. And then cover the lid and then wait like 2 or 3 minutes. And then flip. Don't forget to get your mom and dad's support and be careful when you're using the fire. And now we are going to be sprinkling some cheese on top of the omelet, so they can be delicious. And then on top of the cheese, put some more biscuit crumbs so you can have a nice crispy taste. And then on top of the Mari biscuit crumbs, put some cheese again. Put it in the oven for a few minutes. The Mari biscuit pizza was delicious and crunchy. The omelets were really good, and we also made some cutlets with Mari biscuit crumbs. They were all delicious, crunchy, and gooey.
Hello, children.
Hello, Miss Yuko.
Do you know what we are going to learn today?
We don't know.
Today we are learning about languages.
That sounds fun.
Do you know how to say hello in Sinhala?
Aiboan.
In Japanese?
Konnichiwa.
Very nice. How do you say green pepper in Sinhala?
Kolamidis.
Very nice. One more time, please.
Kolamidis.
And in Japanese?
Piiman.
Again, please.
Piiman.
Nice. How do you say salt in Sinhala?
Lunu.
Again, please.
Lunu.
And in Japanese?
Shio.
Again, please.
Shio.
Very nice. How about egg in Sinhala?
Bittara.
Again, please.
Bittaraya.
Nice. How about in Japanese?
Tamago.
One more time, please.
Tamago.
Very nice. How do you say thank you in Sinhala?
Stuti.
And in Japanese?
ありがとうございました。
またね。
バイバイ。